The briefing that we gave them was actually split in two parts. So we had the first cycle of going to a different planet, a different exoplanet called Planet Y. The teams were split into 6 categories, so from living, clothing, culture, and so they were supposed to envision how society might work there. How will they live? What clothes would they wear? How would they relate to each other? What kind of justice system or educational system? And after this first envisioning part, we then gave a second part of the briefing, which was related to coming back to Earth. And in this case, they went back to the future in a way, because they had to consider what the future of northern Italy would look like in 2075. I think for us was really interesting to see the depth that the teams went in terms of research, in terms of prototyping, making, storytelling.
It was really impressive to see what they came up with, what they did, the prototypes they produced. Working together with students that have such a high focus on design really showed us how immersive artifacts can be created to support the storytelling. That was really cool to see.